Hello and welcome to another video on Python Essentials. Today we're going to be taking a look at this nested list, which contains all multiples of 5. We basically have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements within the outer list, and each nested list contains 3 elements. We're going right from 5 to all the way to 70 over here. And our objective is to trim this list down such that all the remaining values are only divisible by 10. In a sense, we are trying to get rid of 5, 15, 25, and every value that is not ending in a 0, right? Okay, so we are talking about a nested list. So what we would do is, to begin with, we can just create a copy of the original so that any modifications we make does not affect the original. And with n list 1, we say for I in range length of n list or n list 1, right? Won't make a difference. We're talking about going from 0 to the length, which means it excludes the last value. So you'd essentially go from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got 5 elements. 5 is the length here, right? And you'll be going from 0 to 4. Okay, which is what we require. We require the indexing of each one. So for I in this range, we look for another loop, a nested for loop. For j in I. All right, we're pointing to each element within, or rather the pointer is going to each and every element within the nested list, right? Oh, actually, yes, we picked the indexing. So we're talking about nest 1I, right? We're picking I as 0, and for j in nest 1I. All right. Okay. For j in each of these lists, if j is perfectly divisible by 10, or let's go the other way, we talk about j divided by 10 is not equal to 0, right? In other words, j is not divisible by 10. We'll try to remove that particular value j from nest 1I. How do we do that? We say nest 1I dot remove j, right? J is the value, since it's pointing within the list, right? We check for the divisibility by 10, and we get rid of it if it is not divisible by 10, right? Let's run this. We have name nest1 is not defined. Okay. Oh, we talked about n list 1. Right? Shall we run this and run this again? So if we were now to print the nested list 1, there we go. All the values that were ending in 5 have been removed. We basically have 10, 20, 30, all the way up to 70.